Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts. And right now we'll be discussing about great CSS font combinations pairings. And right now, previously we've been talking about the CSS font pairings. So I just want to show you some example and how you can pair two CSS fonts together or two types of as you can see, if you notice very well right here, we're having sans serif, which is a generic family from one place, and this is another serif. This one is serif and this one is sans serif. So we want to pair these two fonts together because they are from different families. This one is from sans serif family and this one is from serif family. So we want to pair these two fonts together so we can have something nice. So what can we do right here? I'm just going to copy this because I don't want to stay long on this. In case you guys also want to try this, you can just pick your editor and start writing code with me. This is what we are having previously in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our previous tutorial on this. This is where we talk about the Google fonts. So right now we are still on our CSS Google CSS fonts playlist. You can still check our CSS font playlist to be able to follow along easily. I'm going to delete some of the things right here to rearrange our document. I want this document to look nice right now. I want to remove some things I don't need right now. So I'm trying to remove some things I don't need in the document. So stay tuned please. Let me remove all this. I don't need all this also. So and also I don't need this Google fonts here. We are done with that. So right now I'm going to paste this. So this thing I'm pasting right here, I just want us to work fast. That's why I'm trying to paste all these kind of things. So then I'm going to explain it for you guys in a reasonable manner so you guys can be able to understand it better. So right now, let's say for instance now we want to pair two fonts together. Right here we are selecting our body element and we are giving our body element this font family, and this right here we are selecting our h1 element and we are giving this font family. I want to pair two fonts together. That's what I'm trying to do right here. It's like I'm trying to pair sans serif font and serif fonts together. That is, we are saying that whatever we write inside our body element should be having this sans serif, and whatever we write inside our h1 tag should have this serif. So I'm going to save my document and reload and see what we got in our screen. Let's reload our document. Can you see how our document looks right now? So let me bring this back to the normal way. This is my document now. Can you see how my document is looking right now? But I'm going to rearrange something now so you guys can see this nicely. Let me remove the let me just remove everything first so I can perform this by myself gently again so you guys can see how it looks. Let's delete all this. Sorry, I want to delete all this because you may not able to understand this very well. As you can see right now we are having this, and how are you doing? We are having all this, right? So let's pair fonts together. Let's select our body element. When we select our body element, we can give it font family. Font family we are going to give it a serif sans serif family, sans serif font. I'm just giving it sans serif font. There are some fonts that works with sans serif fonts, like this kind of font right here, which is area. Area is among the sans serif fonts. So I'm going to remove all this and save my document. When I reload, we are going to see what we got. Can you see how our font is looking now? This is our area sans serif font. So now let's use another font in our h1 tag. Let's say for instance now we want to change this h1 font. We don't like the way it is, so I can now change it to another font. So I have one font I want to change it to. Let me select h1 tag and I'm going to give it font family, and I'm going to give it Times New Roman. I like Times New Roman. This one is from serif. This is from serif font. So as you can see, this is one font family that we are giving our body element, and this is another one which is serif font family. We are giving it Times New Roman font. So let's save our document and reload and see what we got. If you notice very well, I give it a backup here. I can remove this if I don't want. Just have this Times New Roman, this area is okay, and this sans serif and this serif is okay. Now let's see our document is going to look nice no matter what. Let's reload. Can you see now? This H1 is looking nice along with the sans serif. As you can see, everything is looking nice and our document is not doing somehow. So that's how it works together. So, and again, in our document right here, if you notice very well, we are having this bandana from the sans serif. I can copy this. Let me test it for you guys so you guys can see it again. Let's remove area, and also let's come here again. Let's take Georgia from here. When I take Georgia from here, I can change this one to Georgia and save my document. Let's reload. Let's reload. Can you see now our document is looking nice again? This one is our Georgia. This one is our Vadana, and this one is our Georgia. So let me show you. This one at the H1 tag is our Georgia, which represent like something like a Time New Roman that I did earlier. This one is look like Time New Roman that I did earlier, and this one is looking like the area that I did earlier. So as you can see, this is our Vadana font and this is our Georgia font. So it just depends on what you want to do. You can manipulate them together, pair them together. If they work nicely, it's good. But if they don't work, like now, let's say for instance, now you go and choose monospace fonts. Let's say you choose like monospace fonts. You're going to see how your document is going to look. Can you see? This is highly different to this one. Can you see our document looks somehow immediately? But if you don't use there are some properties in the monospace font we can use. Let's say for instance we use carrier name. So I can remove this if I don't want this. So let's just give it carrier name and save our document and reload. Let's see what we go. Can you see how our document is looking? This one is different from, can you see it looks somehow? So the pairing is not nice very well because this one is so identical right here. So it just depends on what you want to do. You can pair it together in that manner. If you notice, this one is having Fadana font, this one is also having the Fadana font, but this one is having the Korean name. So, and also, but if we use, let's say for instance now we now use Time New Roman here and save our document. Let's reload. Let's see what we got. I'm going to see this place now. It's going to look nice with this font now. Let's reload now. Can you see now this one is looking nice with the font here? So it just depends on what you want to do. I can't say it look nice because some people may need something nicer than this. So it just depends on what you want to do. Just try it with different things, and I wish you best luck. Have a great day. I don't think there's much thing we have to talk about here right now. We have discussed about a lot. Below we have shown some popular font pairing that will suit many brands and contexts. Like this, when you use Georgia and Fadana together, when you use Beautiful Norway, and also when you use Helvetica and the Garamond together. I can show you how Helvetica and Garamond looks also, so you guys can see. Let's use Helvetica. Helvetica is from sans serif. I can just use it in this manner. And when you use Garamond is from Zerif, I think. Garamond. I can use Garamond. Am I seeing the Garamond right here? Let me see. Maybe I can see. No, I'm not seeing it. Yeah. So let me just copy it because this name right here, yeah, somehow. So let me just use it quickly so you guys can see how it looks. Save your document and reload. Let's see the pairing if it's nice. Can you see the pairing is also nice? Can you see? So our document is looking nice. So it just depends on what you want to do. Try to check the kind of font you want to use together. If you manipulate them together and they look nice, it's good. If it didn't look nice, you can stop it. As you can see, we have many fonts right here. We have a lot of them. We have a lot of them right here. We have a lot of them. So I think we are done for now. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next. Bye bye.